lakas mga hotel, mga tao. Ulala. Ooh. Ganda, diba? Ganda. Ang bilis sira. 3 seconds sira siya. Kunwari, meron ka window dito overlooking bubong. Bubong yung kapitbahay mo. Ito si Khalifa Tower. If I don't want to watch TV mga tao and I just want peaceful mind, look what I can do here. Boom. Ulala mga tao. So, sobrang maganda siya. Simple lang. Wala na simple dito. Complicated masyado. Good luck sa laba-laba. Bumbilya. Baka paggising yung tatay ko, may putok dito. Boom! Ano gawin mo, anak? Ano? Papa, ito style. Boom! Carpet unboxing. Carpet Nation. Aladdin Philippines branch. Ooh la la. Whoa.
Noise. Okay.
What a carpet. Kulay puti sa gitna and blue sa kabila. Oo, lagyan ako zone rooms dito maging puti. You see? This is not called chair. It's called accent chair. So alam mo bakit ito called accent chair? Kasi color yellow. Pag may isa tao papunta dito, sabi, "Hoy, ano ito? Kulay yellow. Saan galing yan? Pangit." Sabihin mo, hindi ka architecture. Architecture. Hindi mo alam sa fashion na yon. Yung fashion na yon, kailangan lagay isang red, isang yellow, para sabi, social. Merong accent chair sa bahay. We're gonna do the magic. Now, it's table 4, 3, 4. It's 4, 4. But when you extend it like that, and then you close, boom, boom. It becomes for 8 to 10 people. So we're just putting the chairs para completo, the set in here, the table, the chairs, and let's start farming. Now you can see the contrast because the table is color dark gray. Tapos it needs something light for the carpet. That's why I choose the light color para it will pop out. Same thing with the chair. So super ganda. When you look at it like that, ulala. See? So, mga tao, today is a very special day kasi I'll be fixing the beddings in here. Kamay fittings, kamay is hand mga tao. Para ready na ready yung bahay ko. Pag dumating yung papa ko, hindi ko alam kailan siya dumating kasi hindi siya sabi sa akin. He said he will make it a surprise for me, but I'm sure he cannot do that because hindi siya alam kung saan ako nakatira. So, first thing, I'll be fixing my bed sa taas, master's bedroom. I know my dad may be watching now and he's gonna see his kama and how I'll be fixing that. By the way guys, I didn't expect. Hindi ako expected. Sobra mahal pala yung fittings. Mas mahal siya sa kama. Bili ako yung kama, mas mura. Ito, bili ako, mas mahal sa kama. Hindi ko intindihan bakit ganun. Sino ako? So excited. Let's go. I am here with Annie. We're gonna fix the beddings. So this is the bed framing. You see it's color black and woody. It's from Electro Wood. So they made it and they customized it for me exactly on the same size that's available between these two bumbilya. So I have dalawang bumbilya dito. They came here, sukat-sukat. Tapos they left after 2-3 weeks. They came back and they put this. Marami ako pilo, marami ako lagay yung tali pang palengke sa Oo, bakit panpalengke? Bili ako mahal, dapat social sa paper bag. Yeah. Meron ako idea, tignan mo. See? Oh. Oh, ano, 2 araw, ani, tapos na. Tapos na tayo. Ano, ECQ. Shout out to Homebodies and Humpas Lupa. Yung pinaka-importante sa mundo, sa buhay mo, is yung tulog mo. Bakit ito mahal? Alam mo? Kasi malambot. You should invest in your bed. Ani, wala ako space tulog. Oo, ano, saan ako tulog? Dito, ha? Dito. Dito lang yung space ko. Tulog. Ganon. Yung fashion today, Japanese. Sushi eater. Meron ako dati, kaibigan Japanese. Ganon siya. Yung pantalon. The bed is finished mga tao and sobra siya maganda. Importante, dalhin ako yung steamer. Kalimutan ako yung steamer. So ito made out of 100% bamboo mga tao. So another very beautiful part about the master bedroom in here is the TV divider mga tao. And let's remove the plastic kasi alam ko Filipino style hindi tanggalin yung plastic para every time titig ka sa TV mukha brand new siya. Boom! Look what I can do with my TV. If I don't want to watch TV mga tao and I just want peaceful mind, look what I can do with TV. Boom! Oh la la mga tao. So here I'm planning to put mirror para when you wake up in the morning, you look at yourself. Oh, meron akong muta. Tanggalin yung muta. So siguro lagay ako mirror or frame dito, hindi ko alam mga tao. Tapos when you want to watch TV ulit, you change your mind sa gabi, you put it back like that, and then you watch TV ulit. You see? Sobrang maganda siya kasi it has storage spaces. Here also, it has more storage. You see? Down, open concept. You look through here, you see your lagayan ng damit, your clothes. So these are the photo frames that I got. City view, para maganda siya tignan. That's why, you know, city view. Para feeling mo sa, sa city ka, LA. Lagi ka sa LA. Imaginary only. Hindi kailangan mo papunta sa New York. Bili ka na lang yung photo. Para sa isip mo, papunta ka. Hindi kailangan visa ito mga tao. Lagay sa wala. This is here, the other one. I bought it kasi it has a moon. And when you look at the moon, it relaxes you. So it's relaxing. I put it on top of my bed. So as you can see, it matches my flooring. Kasi my flooring, it has that gold. Ooh! Ganda, diba? Ganda! Ang bilis sira. 3 seconds, sira siya. Okay. Then this one. Okay, let's see, ha? Ooh! Pag may lundon, hindi sa ulo ko? Okay, tignan natin. So this is here my bed. That's how it looks like, mga tao. You see? Ready siya. Ready na, ready. So, pag uwi ka sa bahay, close mo na yung curtains. See? Sarado ito muna, mga tao. Tapos, so, tignan mo. Ang ganda ng ganda, mga tao. Yung kama natin. See? Let's turn off this para bulalakaw, mga tao. Tignan natin ngayon. Wow! Sobra ganda mga tao kasi meron moon dito. This is the moon. And when there is moon mga tao, there is life. There is tulog. There is rest. There is kama. There is tamad. You see, when there is sun, there is trabaho. There is gising. There is pagod. So gusto ko relaxing dito with the moon. My moon sa taas yung circle na ulo ko. Tulog sa gabi, wala na isip, wala na worries. here, mga tao, is motion sensor. So when you're walking beside the bed, look at me. When you're beside the bed, oh, automatic siya on. When you go up, you see, you go out, it waits 3 seconds maybe, and it turns off. Wow, amazing, right? Now, let's put the other display. See the sunset near? Kunwari, meron ka window dito overlooking bubong. Bubong yung kapitbahay mo. Dito si Khalifa Tower in USA. USA branch, Khalifa Tower. So you see what I did in my master's bedroom, mga tao. There's like a partition between sleeping area and dressing area. So from my sleeping area, going all the way to my closet, lakas maka-hotel, mga tao. You see, you go all the way here. Closet. Boom. So, sobra maganda siya. Simple lang. Wala na simple dito. Complicated masyado. Pero, like, I like the accent in there kasi marami siya ilaw. Pag sa gabi gusto mo Meralco bigyan naman, you will think, isip, Meralco ko, taas, kailangan ako solar talaga mga tao. Huwag na lang gamitin yung ilaw. So on my left side, that's my toilet. Let's not go inside now. Did you hear that sound, mga tao? This is like a safe. So, this is our guest room slash dad's room, whatever you wanna call it, mga tao. Pero at least meron kwarto na. This is gonna be my dad's room soon, so let me show you. Come here with me, mga tao. Boom! Simple lang. Like always, it's just a simple room with the maganda. Pareho kanina. We removed the basura first. So this room was this size before, but it was not like that at all, mga tao. Sobrang pangit siya dati. Pero dito merong kwarto dati, so I just followed the same size of the previous room before. I didn't change the size. Dati, mga tao, may bintana dito. Pero guess ano yung view mo? Yung sarili kotse mo. Kaya sarado ako. Ito, ayoko titik sa kotse ko. Kung gusto mo titik sa plantito. That's why, mga tao, I opened this side. This was a wall. We demolished this. We opened this and I closed this wall. I put also a lot of halaman sa likod here para maganda tignan. Kahit umaga or gabi, maganda tignan. Kanina, we made super sweet, mga tao. Ngayon, we're gonna make deluxe room. So, deluxe hotel. I got something for my dad. Puti, kasi maitim yung tatay ko. So, puti yung gusto ko para sa gabi. Kita-kita. My mom, sobra puti. My dad, ganon. Kalahati. Oo, she doesn't believe it. No, kasi lagi, tatay ko, engineer siya. Lagi siya sa field.
Lagi siya sa initan.
Oo, lagi siya sa initan. And hindi siya gamitin sunblock. Pwede siya itim. Pwede siya puti. Kung ano gusto mo. See? Laman sa loob ito. Talaman. Tama Tagalog. So, example. Pagkain ka, ano tawag yung may beef sa loob? Kalimutan ko. Burger? Ano burger? Yolo Retro Diner yan? Ano burger? Lumpia! Ano burger? Sabi ko yung may beef sa loob. Good luck sa laba-laba. Bumbilya. Baka paggising yung tatay ko, may putok dito. Boom! Ano gawin mo, anak? Ano? Papa, ito style. Boom! Yung tatay ko kalbo. Mas grounded yan. Kasi diretso sa kalbo, diretso sa skin. Alright. Let's put the dark down, then the white up. Yan, see? Like that, huh? Boom. Yeah, then fold konti. So we have accent. But I like this room. It looks like whitish. So this one mga tao is from my subscriber. It suits this room kasi black and white, the comod, everything. The flooring is like woody texture para maganda siya lagay dito. Feeling ko maganda tingnan. Dito sa taas. So this one mga tao, shout out. It's coming from Syria. Somebody give it to me as a gift. Sobra ganda siya. You see, this is a Syrian clock. You put it in the wall para my dad, he will still feel at Syria. This is handcrafted mga tao. Kaya sobra mahal ito. It's handmade and handcrafted. So he will feel at home mga tao. So mga tao, this is not yet the complete set of this room, pero almost done. I just add small table and small chair, but this is how it looks like. Simple yet so beautiful. Let's try to close the curtain here. See? Close the curtain, konti lang dito, konti lang doon. So that's how you see it's so cozy. We have the Syrian clock in here with the map of Syria, handcrafted for my papa so he will feel the vibes. And then here I just put this for him. This was a gift given to me by one of my subscribers. Sobra maganda siya. Para mukha handmade. This represents the Philippines, coconut tree, bahay kubo, may bangka sa sea. Maganda siya. I have main light here, so maganda siya. If you want to turn it on, then the CR. Diba guys, you see the bed? Lakas maka-hotel feels dito mga tao. And lighting is very important guys. You see? Very important. So the CR mga tao, next time na lang sa full house.